Thanks for tuning into my video. I wanted to provide a breakdown of how to depot eyeshadows. I started off here with my pops of color. With these pops of color, they are primarily ColourPop Cosmetics eyeshadows and Makeup Forever eyeshadows. Then we go into the metallics collection I have here. It's great neutral tones. Yeah, so everyday colors, and I just basically pop them out of their original collection. I just wanted something more professional and sleek. And then the Makeup Forever ones, they were actually sold as singles. So I just compiled them together in their particular category as how I use them. So those are matte shimmers. We go into now all matte. So this is the one I use the most. So yeah, these are what I use the most. They are neutral transition shades. I've actually found that I've been using them more and actually hit pan once I depotted these. And then lastly here, I have just shimmer, glitter, iridescent colors from ColourPop. But that's all. Really appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And I do have a shorts also uploaded.